Welcome to Mage Lab Tutorial Episode 3, Talk or Type with Unified Inputs. In this tutorial, I am the fictional pet owner that just adopted fictional pets, Fido. We're gonna give you an example of how to type and talk, swap anytime while logging Fido's day one notes. Here we go. First, we could do how to talk. Personally, I feel uneasy talking to machines, but in here you can just hold and record your prompt in Mage Lab, and that's easy peasy. Let's do it. Add note: Fido arrived today, curious but shy, and you're done. Mage Lab is working on the first prompt. It's working. You can see the chat bubble showing that. Ooh, it's done. Mage, open up the notes.md file in the current workspace and make notes of what I just said in the previous prompt with the today's date. Perfect. And I am gonna switch to typing my prompt instead of talk. Here we go. I am typing tag this note with hashtag day one. Send. Enter. Working again. Okay, now the Mage Lab responded in the chat that it's done, and you can see the second tab is open for the day one. Hashtag added. Perfect. You can notice the second tab adding tag day one, which is actually working on the same markdown file, notes.md. Well, if day one tag is what you like, perfect. If you don't, you can go back to the previous version and hit save on the corner to revert the added tag. But since the day one tag is exactly at the second version as I expected, I am just confirming it's good. It's already auto-saved, and I like the second version, so the auto-saved version works. And we can go to the File Explorer to find the notes.md file to see if it's making sense. Let's open the notes.md file in the pet project to verify it was saved as expected, auto-saved. Here we go. It's triple confirmed. And well, in this tutorial, you just mixed typing and talking in one chat, and we triple checked the edits from the talking and typed prompts. Thank you. And next is hands-free voice journaling. See you in the next episode.